This is the next part of the tutorial. So you need to go to tinkercad.com, and that is part of Autodesk. Autodesk the company, and Tinkercad is the software. So the same as Microsoft is the company, Autodesk is the company, and Tinkercad is the software, and Microsoft Word is the software. So you'll need to go in, and this is the first page you'll get to. Sign in, first thing to do. And remember, you would have signed it, registered in the previous tutorial. So just going to go remember me. So you'll have your own profile page here. You can put an image in here if you like. It's entirely up to you. This is your space for you to use. So and what it does is saves all your bits and pieces. So you've got projects here, and you'll find your way around this. So what you want to do is you can do some tutorials if you like. You can go straight into modeling. I'd suggest to have a play around, and there's some quite cool bits and pieces in here that you can have a look at. It's very basic modeling, but it gets you to do things that you need to. So, so create new design is what we need, is that area there. So I'm going to create a new design. Now this is on a Mac using Safari, so it'll be a bit different. It makes up a name automatically for you. I don't know how they do that. Someone's thought of that ingenious idea, but don't worry too much. And basically you just drag things onto your page. You can move them up and down however you like, and size them. So the best thing to do is to have a play around with bits and pieces. Okay, so you've got all those bits and pieces to play around with. So that's just getting into logging into Tinkercad for the first thing. In the next tutorial, we'll start to make something to save to as a 3D file, and then we'll take that 3D file and print it off.